Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we will tell you 8 crucial things you must know before visiting Andaman Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of 572 islands, out of which only 36 are inhabited. The islands are spread over an area of 8,249 square kilometer and are located around 1,000 km from the east coast of India. The capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair, which is the gateway to the islands. The islands are known for their pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, coral reefs, and marine life. The islands are also home to some of the oldest tribes in the world, who have lived in isolation for thousands of years. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands offer a unique blend of adventure, history, and nature, making it a perfect destination for tourists. But before we start, Andaman Trip on a Budget YouTube channel has been created to help tourists totally free of cost. Our goal is to help tourists save money and have a safe visit to Andaman. Do subscribe to our channel so that we can help more tourists. Here are the 5 crucial things you must know before visiting Andaman Islands. Before I start, I would like to request that if you like our video, do hit the like, share and subscribe button and watch the video till the end. First, climate. The climate here is different for the whole year long. From the middle of October to May first week, it is the best time to visit as the days are mostly sunny. And from May end till the end of July, the islands are hit by heavy rains, and from August to November, the climate is a bit rainy like. It has occasional showers and slightly rough seas are also possible. Secondly, language. The language spoken here are vast. It includes languages like Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu and English. These languages are widely spoken in the Andaman Islands. However, the connecting language is Hindi, but most of the people understand English. Before we go to the next point, you can contact Andaman Trip on a Budget YouTube channel at contact@youtube247, that is 247.com anytime. Any day, we will be happy to reply to you and clarify your doubt about Andaman Tour and help you save money. Third, Restricted Area Permit. For the non-Indians, Restricted Area Permit or RAP norms might change over a period of time and hence it could be confusing. Best way is to check the official website of Andaman Tourism, which is www.andamantourism.gov.in. For immigration related information, one can also contact Foreigners Registration Officer, Immigration and Foreigners Branch, Ground Floor, Office of Superintendent of Police, South Andaman. Phone numbers are mentioned 03192 237793 and 03192 234472 with extensions 358 and 374. Fourth, eating options. Eating at Andamans gives you many options from Indian food to any other country's food. The basic Indian food is available in small dhabas and restaurants. The expensive resorts serve few Western dishes like Italian, Mexican, etc. Seafood, the most popular food, is available everywhere. At Havelock and Neil Islands, finding the pure vegetarian restaurant is difficult. Fifth, drinks available but no dance bar. Fresh coconuts are popular and widely available at Andamans. Alcohol is available in some of the restaurants and at English beer and wine shops in Port Blair on Havelock. The beers will not be cold when purchasing across the counter. You can get cold beers only at the local bars. There is no pub culture or dance clubs at the Andaman Islands. Sixth, crocodile attack on tourists very rare. The Andaman Islands are a fairly safe destination to travel and live, as well as the Andaman Islands has a very low crime rate and people here are very helping in nature. Saltwater crocodiles are present at the islands, which is within the suitable habitat throughout the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The only attack on a foreigner within the recent history occurred off the coast of Havelock Island. It was in April 2010. The saltwater crocodiles generally remain within the rivers and coastal mangrove swamps. They do occasionally travel within the open ocean, which was the case in this attack. Attacks on humans in the ocean is very rare and not necessary. Seventh, all ATM available. If you want to use ATM and withdraw money, you can do so. The followings are the banks having their ATM services at Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which are State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Vijaya Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Axis Bank Limited, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, Indian Bank, Union Bank of India, Syndicate Bank, Allahabad Bank, Bank of Baroda, UCO Bank and United Bank of India. There are only many ATMs at Swaraj Deep, Havelock Islands, and Shahid Deep Island. Hence, it is advised to carry sufficient cash if you're not carrying a debit or credit card. Hotels accept credit card. Hotels at Andaman do accept credit cards and debit cards, but most of the time, due to poor internet connectivity, the transaction fails. Therefore, it is advisable to carry ample cash with you while traveling to the islands. With this, we close the 8 points which are given here. With breathtakingly view and beautiful coastline, Andaman is a place which is the lushest forested interior. The Andaman Islands are the perfect place to ramble around and enjoy the sun-toasted beaches. The Andaman Islands, comprising of 572 islands, and not only you can visit 12 to 15 for traveling, very fewer islands are only open to the tourists. Havelock Island is by far the most popular for its splendid beaches and diving. The Nicobar Islands are strictly not open and off the limits to the tourists. As we have mentioned earlier, that Andaman Trip on a Budget YouTube channel has been created to help tourists totally free of cost. Our goal is to help tourists save money and have a safe visit to Andaman. Do subscribe to our channel so that we can help more tourists. You can contact us at contact@youtube247.com. Anytime, any day, we will be happy to reply to you and clarify your doubt about Andaman tour and help you save money. Thank you. That's all for today.